Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's new code AI feature step by step, even if you are a total beginner. Whether you want to build simple websites, widgets, or dynamic visuals, Canva Code AI is about to blow your mind. So grab a coffee, hit the like button, and let's dive in. What is Canva Code AI? It is Canva's new generative AI tool that lets you generate code with simple text prompts, like how you use ChatGPT. But instead of just writing code, it can actually help you build functional widgets, interactive visuals, and even mini apps directly inside Canva. No coding skills required. It's designed to be beginner friendly, and today I'll walk you through how to use it with a real example. How to access Code AI. Now, to access Code AI, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Canva on your browser and log in into your account. And once you log in, you should go and click on Canva AI here on the left side, or simply search for Canva AI in the apps section if you cannot find it here. Now, keep in mind, it may currently be available in Pro or Beta for some users. And now, once you click on Canva AI, it will show you here this window. You can describe your idea. You can choose between design for me, create an image, draft a doc, or code for me. You can even send a voice message or even add a photo or any other media to help you. Now, first, I tried to type here this prompt, make a simple website containing a dictionary from French to English. It first did its response, so I tried to make a new prompt telling it to make a dictionary template from French to English. It took some time to do all of these codes, and on the top right side here, you can see that it shows you the number of lines, but in fact, it showed me a very satisfactory result and displayed a very nice dictionary on the right side here. As you can see, you can even use it in your design or in your project by simply click on use in a design, or simply reset this prompt by clicking on this button on the top. And I tried to make things more deep and more accurate, so I asked it to add more and more words to the dictionary. So now I have, in the second version, I have 29 French words. So here it also added some categorizations. You can even take the codes and paste it if you want to paste it on your website, for example. And you can even see here the categories like so. So here I have some categories. It added it: business, academic, common words, for example. You can even have some pages down below right here. So in fact, it might give you a great idea of how you can actually create a website doing the same function. So now I will simply click on use in a design. So now here I have it. This is your template. You can now add some elements if you need, or simply go back and ask it to generate more and more options. You can go to the previous version by clicking on this section right here. This is the first version and this is the second version. And now I will send a voice note telling it something like, please add more and more to the dictionary and add some categories, some subcategories in the food, including beverages and breakfast, lunch, and even the dinner. So now I will send simply this message to it. So if you do not want to type and you cannot use the keyboard, or if you have a problem with your keyboard, you can send it a voice note like this and it will transcribe all what you said. And now it will take some time to generate your code or generate the website that you need. So keep that in mind. It may take some time, and this is the only downside that I have found in this AI tool. So in fact, the first version, it took about 1 minute to generate it. The second version, it took about 3 minutes. And this time, I think it may take about 5 to 7 minutes because I have asked to do more and more modifications. Now you can take this code, copy and paste it on your website. You can even learn coding from these lines right here. So it has many benefits and it is a double-edged weapon. Now here, as you can see, it took about 5 minutes for generating the version number 3. Now it added some more French words and the categories look more professional and it has more and more words added to the dictionary. Now here, as I mentioned, I asked the AI to generate subcategories in the food category, and now it added beverages, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Now let's get back to this page. I can simply click on create an image and type a specific prompt to create an image to me. So here I will type a cat wearing an eyeglasses with party hat, then type enter. It will take some time. Then here it will show you 4 photos. You can download them. You can do some edit to them. So here I can edit it. I can add some filters, do some color correction, add some effects. And once I finish, I can share it, I can download it, and so on. Another good feature is that you can click on these 3 lines, delete these images if you want, and regenerate more. You can even choose the aspect ratio and the style of the photos. So here in my case, I will choose this one and I will ask it to make a handball in water. This is just a small example. And here we have it. Now, there are more and more features in this AI tool, but just in order to make the video short, I will let you guys explore more and more about this AI tool by yourself. And I will leave a direct link to it just below in the description. Thank you for watching. Support us with like and see you in a new video.